Rigathi Gachagua ni gamuchiri mulikio munene w'ekiombe ky'abakori emirimo ya kotu Francis Atwoli asogotaikirania abakoreri bwaye burunge wetera kurwanirira abakori emirimo imeyense. Gachagua asenkwana yaye chinga kichige ikaro yogokwanira hayabwatikaine n'abakori emirimo ni gamuchire serikali asokogenderera kubamiga abakori emirimo wetera engeria bakonyora eyo ekominyorwane serikali asechinjira ao. Mulikitoli netinyambane na ikirana sinsemecho na boigo gutwariganira roboti rwa senjira yobikirano.
Uyo kabeire omokonyi bw'omurai bwense uyu boigo ore omurai bw'ekiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua omochirie bokongu omurikio monene bw'obomo bw'ebyama by'abakori emirimo imeyense kotu Francis Atwoli ase okwebwatani na siasa na kweba emirimo emutungetie.
He has abandoned the workers. He is now the lead praise singer of the William Ruto praise and worship team. He is the lead soloist. He sings with both bass and soprano. To praise a man who has made the lives of workers hell. To sing praises to a man who has impoverished Kenyan workers. To affirm a man who have made workers beggars in their own country. The workers of Kenya, since you seem to be unable to remove this man, my proposal to Kenyan workers is about time we created another alternative organization to champion the rights of the Kenyan workers, so that workers have a choice. They don't have to be in court. I want to urge you to start forming that body. I know William Ruto, through the Registrar of Trade Unions, will frustrate the registration of that organization.
Gukwana kurwa ase omucho Nairobi chingaki chokumurekera ari akorekanite rit kuri abakori emirimo etarikia yemo boigo ogochakigwa gwekiombe gyokumurekera oroboti rwa abakori emirimo umuyega oyu oragwa ne kiombe gya Kenya Management and Supervisors. Gachagua nigo arurokoboria gochia ase abakori emirimo gutwara ekadi yogwaka ekura na ribarache kwerusia aso bosomba bobabwateranetye.
I want to tell the Kenyan workers this morning that the fate of your payslip rests squarely in your hands. You will have an opportunity next year to participate in reclaiming the dignity of your payslip. I want to ask all Kenyan workers, all payslip holders, to ensure they have registered as a voter and they have influenced and persuaded two others to do the same. The 10.5 million payslip holders and their friends and relatives will join the rest of Kenyans. Not just restoring the dignity of the payslip, but also restoring the Kenyan nation, creating good governance where there is accountability and transparency. So the ball is in the court of the Kenyan worker. You cannot continue crying as if you are helpless. You are not.
Arenayo Gachagua omochirie omurai bwense Ruto ase owanchera raia kurwa chinse cheisiko komenya ense ya Kenya atari kubwatia richiko asebo igatebire omurai bwense niga koreto bosoko bonene chingaki akoira chira choborimo ase chinse chiamate anene asa murekeire ense ya Tanzania.
You know the embarrassment we have faced as a country because of rebel leaders in Sudan being accommodated here in Kenya and being given diplomatic passports, where Kenya, in exchange of gold, is giving arms to RSF in Sudan that are used to kill women and children in Darfur. Internationally, we are very embarrassed. But the embarrassment of the Kenyan nation yesterday in Tanzania is very painful. William Ruto has launched fake projects here in Kenya. He keeps on announcing projects that do not exist. The man has become so bold that he is now announcing non-existent projects in a neighboring country. You know, it's so embarrassing to our country that a president from Kenya goes to Tanzania to announce that there will be a project in Tanga for oil refinery when the president of the country is not even aware of such a project. You know, it's a kind of insolence, impunity. You know, he has lied to Kenyans so much that he has no qualms about going to lie to the people of Tanzania. How do you go to a neighboring country to announce a project that is non-existent? And even the president of that country is complaining.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omuchio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.